Today is a day that I've been really excited for. I've been ready for probably for about 6 months, but it hasn't happened until now. Today's the day we get our calf back from the butcher. Yay! We are actually splitting a calf with my in-laws. It'll probably work out to about maybe 2/3 and a third. I'm not sure. We're not splitting it right down the middle because there are more of us and we cook more. We cook at home more. There's just the two of them at home, and with their work schedules, they don't cook as much as we do. But what I've got to do today is get my freezer ready for hopefully about 150 pounds of meat. Oh, hamburger meat, steaks, roast. I'm ready. I'm excited. But I've got to get this freezer done. We've got a lot of our deer meat that we have for our sausage that we'll be making hopefully soon. And I have berries and wild grapes. So I've got to get my freezer reorganized. Some corn from what we put up last year. And I made red beans and rice a couple weeks ago, and I stuck the extra in little small, easy to thaw packages. So I've got to get all this rearranged. I'll probably have to move some things to my freezer in my fridge, but that's what the plan is for today. But I'm excited and I'm ready to get all that meat home. Their food's there. Has anybody laid an egg this morning? Nope, nothing but nest eggs. Jacob took advantage of having a Saturday off to try and get some dirt hauled in to fill in some of the holes in our driveway. And right when he was starting to really get after it, the weather started changing and it started raining, and then it rained and rained and rained and rained. Looks like all our pretty weather's leaving. Looking nasty back that way. Ugh, just when the yard was finally almost dry. It was a lot, for sure.
I said we have a giant pond in our yard.
Oh, so close. Good job. I'm about to put together a batch of lactofermented pickles. I first tried this a couple months ago. The first batch I made was a disaster. The second batch was incredible. So I'm going to see if I can make a third successful batch. The other day I mixed up a big batch of the pickling spice, and I will put a link to the original blog where I found the recipe. It's Deep Roots at Home, but I'll put a link to it, and you can read all of the extremely detailed information that that blogger has there. But it's super easy, and I like that I can make it even if I don't have cucumbers in the garden. I got these little small baby pickling cucumbers from Walmart, and they work great. But anyway, I'm just gonna do it, throw it together real fast, and then we'll have fresh lacto-fermented pickles to eat next week. So what I like about these pickles is they're made by the quart, and there's no canning necessary. So I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna put a little bit of water in the bottom and my spices and the garlic, and then pack the pickles in, and then fill the water up to here, put my oak leaves in, put the lid on it, and be done.
I want you to show me how you make them.
And then we're gonna take our oak leaves and layer them on top. And no, I'm gonna do it. And that oak leaves have tannins in them, and that's what helps the pickles be crunchy.
Oh, and I have some after they're finished?
Yep. Next week you can have some. I'm gonna put the lid on them, and I'm gonna open it once a day just to burp it, but let it sit there and maybe give it a shake every once in a while just to make sure all the goodies are there. But that's all there is to it. So we'll come back in about 5 days and do a taste test and see if the taste is right. And then when I am happy with the taste, then I'll stick it in the fridge and they'll be good to go.
Morning, everybody. January 15th, 2022. It's cold and crisp, and it's our 11th anniversary. But we're fixing to go work cows for our 11th anniversary.
Fun.
But it's gonna be fun.
It's cold.
We ended up not getting any footage working cows. We were very busy and very cold, and we just didn't get any done. But he surprised me with flowers early that morning before we left, and we did end up slipping away to go have a date in town. Thanks to my mom watching my kids. We came home to a surprise this evening. We got in from church and I went to go feed the chickens, and Livy discovered we had tons of eggs in the nest boxes. I know at least 2 are chickens that we already knew about, but we have 4 hens who decided to lay today, and I'm so excited. Yay! Somebody I've never seen on the nest before this morning. This is very exciting. The eggs that you see right now, those are wooden nest eggs that I put in there to encourage the girls to lay in the nest boxes. And they seem to be doing their job. I'm really excited because I've never seen her on the nest box before. So maybe she's one of the ones that laid an egg yesterday while we were gone. Sitting down for a minute to catch my breath and enjoy my afternoon cup of coffee, which is long overdue. I hope you enjoyed a little glimpse into our last 2 weeks. I packed about 2 weeks worth of stuff into one video just because, yeah, well, that's just how it happened. But it was a good 2 weeks. We had some crazy weather, had some fun stuff come up, and just regular everyday life here. And thanks for watching, and you can follow me on Instagram at Blessed and Highly Caffeinated, and you can also subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of the new videos that I put out or anything like that. And thanks for watching.